Welcome to Capstone Project number 3. Our group is number 17. My name is Giselle Castillo. We also have Miranda Lazo and Cecilia Rodriguez. We are going to be doing our project on Norwegian Cruise Line Company. Background and overview. Norwegian is the world's third largest publicly traded cruise company. It already has 32 ships and it operates 3 brands: NCL, Oceania, and Regent. As of December 2024, NCL has 32 ships and expects to add 13 more from 2025 to 2036.
Key factors affecting NCL's performance: economic conditions. The cruise industry is highly sensitive to economic conditions. When economic conditions are strong, consumers are more likely to spend on vacations. Conversely, during recessions or financial crises, demand for cruises can decrease. Seasonality. Cruises are often seasonal, with peak periods during holidays and summer months. Weather conditions and regional factors can also impact passenger demand. Competition. NCL faces significant competition in the cruise industry, both in terms of pricing and the variety of experiences offered by other cruise lines. Fuel costs. Fuel is a significant expense for cruise companies, and fluctuations in oil prices can directly impact profitability. Regulatory environment. NCL must comply with the wide range of maritime and environmental regulations, which can affect costs and operational efficiencies. Tourism trends. Changes in consumer preferences, such as interest in ecotourism or longer, more immersive travel experiences, can significantly affect demand for specific types of cruises. Okay, the problem statement. NCL operates in a highly competitive, rapidly changing cruise industry. Profitability, customer retention, and operational efficiency are essential for growth. The current challenge is the lack of data-driven insights into the most profitable customer segments, uncertainty around which marketing strategies best drive customer loyalty and repeat bookings, risk of inefficient resource allocation, missed revenue, and weakening brand loyalty. They need to leverage data to make informed decisions and optimize marketing efforts.
The role. Our teams provide insights to help NCL maximize profitability and ensure efficiency. Motivation. The cruise industry is highly competitive and operationally complex, and NCL must constantly find ways to stay ahead of competitors such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Celebrity Cruises, among others. With the recovery of the cruise industry, identifying key profit drivers such as the most profitable customer segments, competitive advantages, and effective marketing strategies will be crucial to maximizing revenue and minimizing costs. This can also help NCL retain customer loyalty, optimize resource allocation, and ensure a better overall customer experience. In the visualizations, the data was obtained from TradingView. As you can see, NCL annual growth and profitability. The lowest profit was earned in 2021 during pandemic, and ever since it has grown, and his highest point, we can see it in 2024. Also from the TradingView, we have revenue source. And we have by source, which is the passenger ticket. It represents 68% of total revenue, and onboard and other represent 32%. And revenue by country, we have the US contributing with a 52%. Then we have Europe, 35% of the revenue. Also, we have Asia Pacific, which represents 9%, and other countries, which is the 4% of our revenue.
Hi everyone, my name is Cecilia Rodriguez, and this is my presentation. So, questions to address. How can NCL increase profitability by identifying the most profitable customer segments? So our goal and our approach here is to identify which customer segments generate the most revenue and profit, including the frequency of repeat business and customer lifetime value, by analyzing customer demographic data, booking history, and spending behavior to determine the most profitable segments. using clustering techniques or regression analysis to predict each segment's future revenue potential. So our results, the demographics were from ages 30 to 65 years old, income level middle to high, and target market was adventure seekers and family vacationers. The second question was, what marketing strategies drive customer retention for NCL? Our goal and approach was understand which market channels and strategies, so promotions, loyalty programs, are most effective in retaining customer and engaging repeat bookings. So through analysis of past marketing campaigns, customer behavior before and after promotion, and customer feedback data to assess the effectiveness of different marketing strategies. So strategies. Enhance loyalty programs with tiered rewards, exclusive perks, and personalized offers. Use target email campaigns based on past travel and customer preference. Offer bundled packages, time-limited promotions, and value-driven incentives. The next question to address is, what factors impact customer satisfaction and how can we improve them? The goal was to identify key drivers of customer satisfaction and pinpoint areas where improvement can enhance the customer experience. Our approach was use sentiment analysis on customer feedback, such as surveys and reviews, and correlate satisfaction with various operational factors such as service quality, onboard amenities, and trip destinations.
Importance to the organization. By answering the right business questions with data-driven insights, NCL can make informed decisions that increase profitability, optimize resource use, and improve customer satisfaction. This is critical in the highly competitive cruise industry, where customer loyalty, cost efficiency, and innovation are key to maintaining market share. To address the questions on identifying the most profitable customer segments and determining marketing strategies that drive customer retention for NCL, we can utilize the following datasets available from tradingview.com and ncl.com. Variables of interest in datasets, we can use revenue by segment, passenger demographics, and onboard spending. For marketing strategies driving customer retention, we can use the variables of interest in datasets, customer loyalty metrics, marketing campaign performance, and customer feedback. The dependent variables would be profitability and customer retention, which is what we want to improve. The independent variables would be customer behavior, demographics, spending patterns, and marketing efforts, which are factors that influence the outcomes. And this structure allows NCL to analyze which factors have the most.
So, data preparation steps. So, our first is cleaning. So, we removed incomplete entries such as missing quarterly data fields, and handled formatting inconsistencies such as currency and percentages. Transformation. Created new calculated variables like revenue per available passenger day and onboard spending per passenger. We also standardized periods such as that aligned with the fiasco years and quarterly data. Validation. So we cross-reference revenue totals with financial statements to ensure consistency. Machine readability. So all data sets were converted into Excel or CSV formats for seamless analytics using Python and Excel tools. And data quality issues. So some missing demographic breakdowns like age and income, which required assumption modeling based on public NCL customer profiles, and limited direct survey data for recent loyalty effectiveness, prompting cautious interpretation of repeat booking data.
Data analytics. The approaches that we're going to be using, it is the regression analysis to analyze the relationship between different variables. The hypothesis testing, which claims about population, and time series analysis to analyze historical data and identify parents and forecast future profitability trends. We have here, as you can see, a hypothesis test in which we added from year 25, 26, and 27, we increased advertising to see how much would that grow our net profit. And as you can see here in the graph, you can see that it's a line growing, which means that the more we expend on marketing, the higher will be our profits. And here is the regression analysis. And basically, we have here as independent variable, we have marketing, which is the variable that we added to see how much we could increase with marketing our profit. And the dependent variable in this case is profits.
Consider the future. So what needs to be done in the future? Maybe additional analysis. So analyze customer feedback, sentiment for improving service, expand the analysis to environmental and sustainability metrics, future data needs. So whether real-time weather and port delay data, competitive benchmark data, and enhanced CRM data on repeat passenger behavior. So recommendations. So some recommendations that we can do is enhance loyalty programs, expand personalized rewards for longer cruise bookings and onboard purchases, target mid to high income adventure travelers and family travelers. And in personalized marketing, leverage targeted email campaigns based on past travel preferences and onboard spending habits. Launch bundled offers to increase pre-boarding purchases such as shore exclusions and beverage packages. So this is our RACI metrics. So pretty much what we did in this project. So me, Cecilia Rodriguez, and Miranda Lazo were team members, and then Giselle Castillo was our group leader. So the role description, our group leader creates consensus with the team, informed instructor of any issues with team and effort and work, guides and helps the team achieve deliverables and tasks. And then as team members, we actively participate with group to ensure project deliverables are met.
So roles and contributions, which is how we basically split up this whole presentation. Yusel was in charge of creating PowerPoint presentations. She also did slide 1, title, slide 2, background and overview. The roles, which is slide 5, motivation, slide 6, data and visualization, slide 7 and 8, and data analysis 15, 16, and 17. Me, Miranda Lazo, I was in charge of submitting the PowerPoint presentation and video link in Canvas. I was in charge of the key factors affecting NCL's performance, which is slide 3, the problem statement in slide 4, the importance to the organization, slide 12, the data sources, slide 13, and roles and contributions, which is the slide 21. Ceci Rodriguez, she is in charge of combining the videos. She did questions to address, which was slides 10, 11, and 12. She did data preparation, slide 14, and to consider the future and recommendations, slides 16 and 17, and the RACI metrics, slide 18.
And that'll be what we have for this project on my end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.